We'll guide you through how to change your skin color in Roblox Mobile. If you find this guide useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. We'll be using the Roblox app for this, so go and open it now. From the homepage, click on your name or profile icon to see your current skin color. To change it, go to the bottom of the homepage and click on Avatar. From the Avatar page, go to the top and click Customize. You are currently in the Marketplace. By default, you'll probably be on the Characters section or somewhere else, depending on where you last left it. In the middle carousel, click on Head and Body, then click on Skin in the second carousel. Yours may not be set to Advanced. You may see a basic color picker here. You can choose a color and adjust the tone at the bottom. If you scroll down, you can click on Advanced to choose colors for different body parts and adjust the tone as well. To save, click the back button in the top left. It will take a moment, and then your profile icon will reload with the new skin color. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.